The sound of the secret place. Can you hear the sound? It's the sound of the deep calling unto deep. Beyond the noise, beyond the crowd, there is a place where heaven touches earth. Spirit of the living God, draw us into the secret place tonight. Press beyond the veil once torn, to the place where only you are seen, where the fire burns and the soul is clean. One gaze at you is all I need. One word from you is the life I breathe. In quiet all my spirit cries, reveal your glory to my eyes. The sound of worship, Yahweh, the consuming fire. Turns the dark to light. You are the God of mysteries. You rule the winds, the storms, the seas. From age to age you stay the same. Creation bows before your name. The earth declares your majesty. Forever you will reign in victory. The sound of worship, Yahweh, the consuming fire. Yahweh, it's a life surrendered, more than a melody, it's an all surrender. Take all of me, Lord, have all of me, Lord. I am your vessel, I am your sword. Burn in my heart again, hey! Burn in my soul again, soaking